everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make an envelope. These are three different types of envelope. So today we are going to learn how to make these three different types of envelope. As we all know, envelopes are very useful in our day-to-day lives. Okay. So for this we required a sheet, a square paper. I am taking a square. I am making this first envelope, this one. Okay, for this I had taken a square sheet and I am going to place this in between, and as I am taking this card, because I have to make the size of this card, so according to this I am making the envelope. What I'll do, I'll just fold it this, then I'll open again and I fold this from down and this from up. Just press it properly. Just make sure you will make a crease over here. When you will open this and remove this, you can see a small triangle in the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles. You can see 4 triangles in the corner. What you have to do, you have to cut these 4 triangles. I'll show you. This one, I'm cutting the first triangle. This is my first triangle I had cut. The second one. Third one. And this is the last, fourth one. See, after cutting, your paper will look somewhat like this. Now what you have to do, you just have to apply a glue. I will cut this also. A small from here. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to fold these two inside and take a glue, apply it in the corners like here from both the sides. Okay, once you're done, just fold this one and press it. Make sure you apply the glue properly in the corners. See, your envelope is ready. Your first envelope is ready. Now I am going to teach you the second one. The second one is the square one, like this. We will make this square envelope. Okay, for this I am using this green color sheet. What I will do, I will place this card. I will fold it like this. Press it, make a crease properly. Open this, then again place on the top and fold it again like this. From here you have to place it again. See, first I place here, I fold it and make a line crease, then again I open it, and from this line you have to place on the top, then again fold it. Okay, till here clear? Now what you have to do after this, you have to just fold it from the both the sides. Keep this in the center and just fold it from both the sides and make a crease from this side also. Now what you have to do, you have to cut this small square. You have to cut this small square, not the big one. This small top square you have to cut, okay? Now I'm cutting this square. It may be square also, it may be rectangle also. It depends on the size of your paper, okay? So you have to cut the small one, not the big one. See, I cut this. What I will do, just fold this both. Apply the glue properly, evenly from on both the squares. Now just fold it. Press it. Your second envelope is ready. Second envelope is ready. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the third one. Third one is like this. Okay, for this I'm using this pink color sheet, off-white color sheet. Now what you have to do, again I am taking this. Now I am placing this in a standing position. Okay, now what I will do, I will fold it this like this and I will fold this like this. Just press it properly. Now see, when I will open this, it will look like this. What I will do now, I will cut, I am going to cut this, this, this and this 4 squares. I am repeating again, I am going to cut this, all the corners 4 squares. All the corners 4 squares I am going to cut. Okay. As I am doing this project very slowly so you can understand each and every steps. I hope you are getting each and every steps clearly. This is my second square. Now this one is my third square. And this one last, my 4th square. See. You can see now I had cut all the 4 corners square. Now what I will do, first I will make a round. This is square, no, the both opposite sides small square. I am making a little round shape to give a envelope look. You have to just trim it. You have to cut the corners in a round shape. If you can't do directly, just draw with the pencil first, then cut. Okay. See. Now it is ready. Now what I'll do, I'll apply the glue on this. And that's it. This one. And I'm applying glue on the bottom. Just hold it. Now this is the third envelope is ready. See, I hope you enjoyed today's session. All 3 envelopes are ready now. Let's pull this like this. I hope you enjoyed and you had learned how to make different shapes of envelope. You can make according to your you can customize according to any size. If you have a big card, you can cut square according to that. Instead of this size, you can make with any size. You can make a small envelope also. You can for the rupees also you can make the envelope. So it's up to you. You can take any size. With any size you can make this different envelopes. I hope you enjoyed today's session. In next video, inshallah, I'm going to teach you how to decorate these envelopes. Have a good time.